love and career, whatever comes in the card, whatever is dominant of the week, I'll tell you, okay? Caprice, and mind you that this is general reading, so it might not resonate with everyone. I have to keep my speed up so that I can fit within the time frame. Sorry if it is too much. But yeah, this is the thing also. If it is a negative reading, I will give you a trigger warning so that you can avoid it. And if the reading doesn't resonate, don't hate me for that, okay? It might not be your energy. I might be channeling somebody else's energy right now. Okay, Capricorn, please do hit like and consider subscribing to the channel if you like what I do, if you like the reading, if the reading resonates, okay? We'll take this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Capricorn, I won't suggest you to watch this channel if you two are not very immune to negative reading, because there is a negative reading, okay? So Capricorn, first of all, the sign that you might be dealing with is Aquarius, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. It might be your sign as well. I have a strong Capricorn energy here, but it might be representing you. We have Aquarius and Sagittarius and Cancer, so you might be dealing with Aquarius as well. Very strong energy of Aquarius. Now, what is happening, Capricorn, is that in the upcoming week, Wheel of Fortune, very positive card. It shows that karma is playing its role and things will come to, on its place. And we also have 10 of cups in the bottom of the deck, so it's a card of happiness, emotional fulfillment, family, and everything. But I see that you are in a very closed space right now. You're trying to move away from something which was not serving you. You're trying to cut off ties from something which was hurting you. But again, you're incapable of doing that. You keep on telling your mind that I need to move away, and I'm moving away, but then you are holding on to that situation very tightly. For some of you, you might be starting a new job or a new education. In education, you might be doing something, and I see that a person of power is coming to rescue you when it comes to your academic or your finances, or if you are dealing with a lawsuit, then a person of authority or some legal figure is coming your way. But again, the overall energy is like you being not very happy with what is happening, and you're so closed off that the blessings that are coming on its way, you're not even able to see it because somehow they are not enough for you. So yeah, this is the overall energy, Capricorn. I'm so sorry for that, and try to go into that positive vibe and claim the energy of Wheel of Fortune in order to uplift your mood or situation. This is the overall guidance for you, Capricorn, and yeah, you need to, if it is about love or if it is about money, the guidance for you is to try to find new ways, new people, new job. You try to upgrade your skills, learn something new so that you can